Hey guys, welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a quick how to fix the BlockDAG X1 app which is not working properly. So if your BlockDAG X1 app isn't working properly, the good news is there's a simple updated fix you can try. First, you want to ensure that your app is running the latest version so that updated versions often cause crashes or slow performance. Next, clear the app cache and data through your device settings to remove any corrupted temporary files that might be interfering with its functions. If the problem persists, restart your device to refresh system resources and ensure no background apps are causing conflicts. For more stubborn issues, uninstall and reinstall BlockDAG D or X1, making sure to back up your account or wallet information beforehand. Finally, you want to check your internet connection because that might be one of the problems that has been corrupting your block or BlockDAG X1.